alphabets. But like I've told us that under this aspect of oral, what we are concerned about is the right sounds that can be generated from this alphabet. So for the spelling symbol, we are going to be dealing with combination of alphabets and the sound they produce. Now, for the consonant sh, when we combine letter S and H, it can be pronounced as sh, and this is in shaw. Look at this, shaw, S-H of shaw. Also, S-H in sheep can also be pronounced as this consonant she. Now, let's take a pronunciation. We have sheep. Once again, sheep. Now, let's take another pronunciation of these examples. Shaw. Shaw. We have it in sheep. Again, sheep. Now, we move to letter C and H. Letter C and H can be pronounced as sh when we have it in machine. Once again, machine. Let's take that again, machine. Also CH in chalet. Once again, chalet. Let's pronounce it again, chalet. Also, we can pronounce this consonant in letter S, S, and I. When we combine these three letters together, we have it in Russian. Again, Russian. Also pronounced in Persian. Again, Persian. When we combine letter S, C, and I together, can also be pronounced in Kansas. Again, Kansas. We also have it in luscious. Luscious. Also, lastly on this, when you combine letter T and I together, you can pronounce consonant she in addition. Again, addition. Again, addition. Also, we have it in patient. Again, patient. Again, patient. And that would take us to the second consonant sound. That is, the various alphabets we can combine together to pronounce this sound. When you combine letter S and U, you spell out this. We have it in measure. Again, measure. Again, measure. Also in casual. 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 Also, alphabet Z and U together can be pronounced as consonant J in seizure. Again, seizure. Once again, seizure. Now we move to letter R, S, and I. When we combine letter S and I together, we pronounce it in vision. Vision. Again, vision. Let's take that again. Vision. Also pronounced in occasion. Occasion. Once again, occasion. Now we move to the next example. When you combine letter G and E together, you pronounce this in garage. Garage. Again, garage. Again, garage. Also, when you combine letter G and I, you pronounce it in regime. Regime. Again, regime. Again, regime. The next step on this topic is the sound contrast. Sound contrast. I know many of you may also want to ask another question here. You may want to ask why we talk about contrast. Don't forget that I've told you earlier that these sounds, they have similarity. That is, they have similarities, they sound alike because we use the same organs of speech for their pronunciation. So here we are going to be dealing with the various words that sound alike but give us these two consonant sounds. Now we are going to take examples for the she sound here. Look at the word here. We have fishen. Fishen. For the second consonant, look at the word here. You should be able to understand what I'm talking about under this contrast with this. We have vision. Look at these two words. They sound alike, but they both give us different consonant sound. Now, I want us to pronounce this together again and take note of the similarity. We have fishen. Fishen. We pronounce fishen here. Then we have vision. Vision. I hope you have taken note of the similarity I'm talking about there. Here you pronounce fission. Here you pronounce vision. You will discover that these two words sound alike, but we have different consonant sounds there. Also, for pressure, we have pressure. Again, pressure. Here we have pleasure. Pleasure. We have pressure here and we have pleasure. And lastly, on the contrast, we have she sounds pronounced in censure. Again, censure. And also for the contrast, you have seizure. Seizure. Censure. Again, censure. And on the other one, you have seizure. And so far so good. That is that on this topic. Your assignment is here. And also for questions, probably on this topic or any other topic, you have the opportunity to do that along with your assignment. And I believe if you really want to ask questions, you can attach it to your assignment, which will be attended to. And that is that for today's English class. Thank you so much. Once again, I want to remind you to take advantage of this break, improve on your weak areas, and may God be with you.